What's up guys, today we're back with another AMC 8 problem, and this was problem number 24 in the 2020 exam. So, personally, this was one of the hardest problems I've ever solved, but let's jump right in. A large square region is paved with n squared gray tiles, each measuring s inches on a side. A border d inches wide surrounds each tile. The figure below shows the case for n equals 3. When n equals 24, the 576 gray tiles cover 64% of the area of the large square region. What is the ratio of d over s for this larger value of n? Okay, so first of all, this is a lot of information to digest. So, what is the question actually asking? It's asking us to find the ratio of d over s. But what actually is d? D is nothing but the gap between the tiles, right? So in this example, there's 3 tiles, 1, 2, 3, but there's 4 gaps, and this is because there's going to be one extra gap. So the amount of D, or gaps, is always going to be S plus 1. Okay, so now let's jump in and make an equation. So it's asking, so the only thing we can do right now, based on the information they gave us, is the area of the squares over the total area. So what is that going to be? Well, the top is going to be 24s squared, right? Because you have 24 squares that each have sides s squared. Over 25d, right? We already concluded that the amount of squares plus 1 is going to be the amount of gaps, plus 24d, that's just, or 24s, my bad, the number of sides of squares, whole squared, because it's a square, equals 64 over 100, because it says 64% right here. Okay, so now we have to take the square root of everything. So 24s whole square root, that's going to be 24s. Same thing for the bottom, since we can just cancel the powers of 2. So 25d plus 24s equals, then the square root of 64 is going to be 8. Square root of 100 is going to be 10, which is the same thing as 4 over 5. Okay, so now what do we do? Well, in order to make an equation where we can have d and s as a proportion, we need to cross multiply. So let's do that. So 4 times 25d, that's 100d, plus 24s, that's 96s, equals 5 times 24s, that's 120s. Now just subtract 96s from both sides, and we are going to be left with 24s equals 100d. And we can finally get our d over s because we divide both sides by s and both sides by 100. So this cancels out, this cancels out. So we get this also divided by 100. D over s is equal to 24 over 100, right? We automatically get that proportion, which if you divide by 4 top and bottom, 6, 25, our answer is going to be 6 over 25. Now, sure enough, we're going to go up and see 6 over 25 is going to be our answer. So if you guys want more AMC 8 videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe so that I can keep going and make awesome videos that I know you guys and I will love. And the main thing that you guys should take away is that making an equation and thinking through all the information is key. See you guys in the next one.